Hello, Miss Zoe. We are going to do some math now. So today we are on lesson 8.4 and we're going to talk about comparing numbers to 20. So today our essential question is, how can you solve problems using the strategy make a model? So we're going to compare numbers again by making a model or drawing a picture. So here we go.
Hi there! You know, raking leaves at the zoo is a full-time job. The gardeners here have been hard at work. They raked one pile of leaves yesterday and another one today. I wonder which pile has more leaves. Well, it's hard to count leaves when they're in piles like this. Click the leaf that is right next to me, and they will all line up so we can count them.
All right, here we go.
Great work! Now we can see how many leaves there are. Count the first group with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Phew! 16 leaves. But now look at this group. It looks to me like there are fewer leaves. What do you think?
What do you think?
So then, which group has more leaves? Let's go find out more about comparing numbers. Then we'll come back and figure this out.
All right, so what do you think? We just said that there's 16 leaves over here. I guess we have groups of 10 right here. So if there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Which group has more? 16 or 14? And we're also going to talk about which group has less. So we're going to talk about more, less, and the same, or equal. Here we go, next page.
Allison has a number of yellow cubes, one greater than 10. Josh has a number of green cubes, one less than 12. Who has more cubes, Allison or Josh? You can make a model to solve this problem. Let's start with Allison's cubes.
All right, here we go.
Here is a 10-cube train, which is the same as 10 ones. But Allison has one more than 10 cubes. So let's give Allison one more cube. 10 ones and one more is 11, so Allison has 11 cubes. Now, let's model Josh's cubes. Josh has a number of cubes that is one less than 12.
All right, let's see what he has.
Here's a 10-cube train and two more cubes. That's 12. But Josh has a number of cubes that is one less than 12. So take one cube away. Josh now has one 10-cube train and one more cube. That's 10 ones and one more one. So Josh has 11 cubes. Now, let's compare the two models to see who has more cubes. We can compare the trains by matching or counting.
So when we compare our trains, she has a train of 1 and 1 extra. He has a train of 10 and 1 extra. So does one of them have more, less, or the same? Let's see if you're right.
Allison and Josh both have a 10-cube train, so we need to compare the ones. Allison has one more yellow cube, and Josh has one more green cube. Who has more cubes? Neither. Allison and Josh have the same number of cubes, 11.
Hopefully you said they had the same amount.
Kate has 15 apples. Chase has a number of apples that is 2 less than Kate. Which set of apples is larger? Let's use cubes to model the set of apples. Then we can compare the sets.
All right, let's see. Kate's.
Here are Kate's cubes. Select the number that shows how many cubes Kate has.
Well, did you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hopefully you said 15, and this is the number 15.
Good job. There are 15 cubes for Kate's 15 apples. Now, let's model Chase's apples. Chase has 2 fewer apples than Kate.
So remember, fewer means less. What is 2 less than 15 or 2 fewer than 15?
Here are Chase's cubes. Select the number that shows how many cubes Chase has.
Let's see if you were right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So hopefully you said 13 was 2 fewer than 15. And hopefully you think this is the number 13.
Good job. There are 13 cubes for Chase's 13 apples. Next, let's compare Kate's set to Chase's set. Click the set that is larger. You can match the cubes to find out.
I think that you know that 15 compared to 13, that 15 is greater than 13.
Well done. Kate's set is larger. Click the greater number. Well done. 15 is the greater number.
Good job.
Now let's practice with the personal math trainer.
Well, now we're going to do our actual math page, which looks like this. So your homework then today is comparing numbers. We're going to do lesson 8.4 in your math book, which starts on page 447. You're going to have mom or dad help you out with this because there's a lot of reading for direction wise. So have someone read the directions to you because you have to draw, write the number neatly, right? And then compare them. We're going to be talking about greater than, less than, and equal. Same with this page. And then we have a review page. After that is a little bit more reviews, your actual homework pages then too. So finish off the rest of the pages in that math lesson up to page 452. We're comparing numbers here. So that is all we're doing for math today, is comparing numbers up to 20. And we'll get into numbers past 20 now tomorrow. So have a good day, and don't forget to finish your math pages in your book, and then I'll put a math thing on Seesaw for you also. All right, have a good day. See you tomorrow.